Good day, everyone. I'm Mr. Bello Nuruddin. Welcome back to the class. Our class for today is SSS1, subject Mathematics, topic Measuration. Objective for today's lesson are 1. Definition of an arc and the 2 measures of an arc. 2. How to explain the length of an arc and give formula. 3. How to calculate the length of an arc. Step 1. Definition of an arc and measures of an arc. An arc is a portion of the circumference of a circle. That is, a portion of the circumference of a circle. If the arc length is exact half, if the arc length is exactly half, the circle is called a semicircular arc. So that is, if an arc is exactly half the circle, that half of the circle is called semicircular arc. Now, the measures of an arc. We have 2 measures of an arc. The first one is the length of an arc. The second one is the angle of an arc. Now, step 2, length of an arc. An arc length is when the length of an arc, that is, the part of the circumference, is equal to the circumference of the circle. That is, the part of the circumference is equal to the circumference of the circle. That is when the part of a circumference is equal to the circumference of the circle. That is 2 pi r times the fractions of the circle represented by the arc measure. That is, when you times the fractions of the circle represented by the arcs, that is what an arc length is. The formula, that is, length would be equal to theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Formula one more time. Theta would L equals to theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Step 3. Calculation on length of an arc. Example 1. An arc of a circle with radius of 14 cm subtends an angle of 135 degrees at the center. Calculate the length of the arc. The question again. An arc of a circle with radius of 14 cm subtends an angle of 135 degrees at the center. Calculate the length of the arc. Solution to the question. We know that the formula for calculating the length will be equals to theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. The length is the question mark. That is, the length is what they ask us to find. The radius is 14 centimeter according to what they gave us in the question, while the angle, that's the theta, is equals to 135 degree, while pi is always 22 all over 7. Length will be equals to theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r, which is equals to, our length is the what they ask us to find, then theta is 135 degree divided by 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22 all over 7 multiplied by 7. When we divide 135 divided by 360, it will give us 0.375 multiplied by 2 Then the pi, 22 divided by 7, that one will give us 3.142 multiplied by 14. When we multiply 2 multiplied by 3.1, 2 multiplied by 3.142 multiplied by 14, that one will give us 88 centimeter. Now 0.375 multiplied by 88 centimeter will be equals to 33 centimeter. Example 2. The radius of a circle is 28 centimeter and the length of the arc is 44 centimeter. Calculate the angle subtended at the center. The question again. The radius of a circle is 28 centimeter and the length of the arc is 14 centimeter. Calculate the angle subtended at the center. Solution. Angle. The angle is question mark. That's the theta is what they ask us to find. Length is 44 centimeter. Radius 28 centimeter. Length, now we know that the formula of length is equals to theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Length is 44 centimeter will be equals to theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 28, which is now be equals to, we multiply, well, when we divide 22 divided by 7, that one will give us 3.142 multiplied by 28. When we multiply all together, it will now give us 44 will be equals to theta multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 28 divided by 360 multiplied by 7. Now, to now cross multiply to make Q the subject of the formula. After we multiply all together, we have theta now will be equals to 22 times 7. That one will give us 122 times 2. That one will give us 22 times 2 times 28. That one will give us 1233 divided by 360 times 7. That one will give us 2520. So 44 will be equals to theta multiplied by 1232 divided by 2520. Now to now make theta the subject of the formula now will now be theta will cross multiply. Theta will come outside. Theta will now be equals to 44 multiplied by 2529 divided by 1223, which is equals to, when we multiply 44 times 2529, that one will give us 111,276 divided by 1232, which it will be equals to 90 degree. That is, when you multiply 111,276 by 1232 will be equals to 90 degree. That is, our theta now will be equals to 90 degree. Assignments. Calculate the unknown. That means in this question there is a particular one that they ask us to calculate, that is the unknown letter. Now A, they give you a condition that you take pi equals to 22 all over 7. A, R equals to 16.3 centimeter. Theta equals to question mark. That is the unknown number now. L, that is length, equals to 10 centimeter. B, radius equals to 54 centimeter. Theta equals to question mark. L equals to 124 centimeter. 3, radius equals to 5 centimeter. Theta equals to 85 degree, while length equals to question mark. 4, r radius equals to 10.5 centimeter. Theta equals to 120 degree, while length is unknown letter. Number 5, radius equals to question mark, that is the unknown. Theta equals to 180 degree, while length equals to 220 centimeter. So respond to this question and submit your answer to the platform. Thank you.